Stitchin' Saturday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the single crochet foundation chain and the BLSC, back loop single crochet. So another way of saying it is single crochet and the back loop only. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be using my Bernat Maker home decor yarn. I absolutely love working with this yarn because it shows a really great stitch definition, and I'll be using my Furls Laurel Streamline wood crochet hook in 6.5 mm. Alright, so to get started, I'm just going to chain 16, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. I know I usually don't do crochet stitches for my tutorials. I focus mostly on Tunisian, but I have a design coming up that is going to be using this stitch, so I'm really excited. And I just wanted to share for the people who don't normally crochet, and they mostly do Tunisian crochet. Alright, so we have 16 stitches, and then I'm just gonna chain one. So I chained one, and then I'm just gonna go through each stitch, pull up a loop, and do a single crochet. So this is just a regular old single crochet foundation chain. So I'm just gonna go across and single crochet across. I have a separate video where I show the single crochet stitch slowly, and that video also has single, double, and treble crochet in it, and I can link it over here. I'm going to link in the corner over here. If you press the I, you'll be taken to that video. Basically, I'm just doing regular single crochets across into these chains. That's our foundation. All right, so just going across and doing single crochet like this. So something with crochet that I like to do is I just like to count my stitches just to make sure that I have the right number after every row, you know, just to make sure that I'm on track here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then I always chain one and then turn. So that's usually how it goes with our rows here. So, and then chain one, and then now I'm going to show you how to work into the back loop only. So the way we do this is we're just going to take our hook, insert it into the back stitch only. So usually when you're doing just a regular single crochet, you go under both the loops like this. But with back loop only single crochet, we're gonna go and pull up a loop into just the back loop, and then we're just gonna do a regular single crochet, pull through both loops here. All right, so we're going into the back loop, pulling up a loop, and just doing a regular single crochet. Again, go into the back loop, pull up a loop, and single crochet. So I'm going to do that all the way across. Right, back loop, single crochet, then you're just going to go into the back loop again, and we are doing single crochet. Then you can start to see, I love this Bernat Maker home decor because you can start to see the little line it creates, the ridge. So this is what the stitch is going to look like, and I love it. So I'm going to continue, go in the back loop, pull up a loop, and pull through 2. So this is your single crochet, back loop, single crochet. All right, I'm going to be releasing a design very soon that involves this and Tunisian simple stitch, which is super, it looks really nice. Okay, and then again, so this last stitch sometimes is hard to work on, so you just gotta do that and then pull through 2. There we go. And then again, before we turn to the next row, we're going to chain 1, turn, and then you're just going to continue that way. So let's count. So 1, so this first chain that we made counts as a first stitch, and then we're just gonna 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. All right, so then we're just gonna go and continue what we were doing. So oops, so we're gonna skip that one that our chain is in, and then you're gonna do single crochet, back loop only. So we're going into the back stitch, pull up a loop, and just go across. So we're gonna continue doing that. Okay, super excited because I love, love, love stitch definition of Bernat Maker home decor yarn. So this is what it's starting to look like. Alright, okay, I'm gonna unravel some more. I always do this. Okay, so we're gonna continue like so. Go into the back loop, pull up a loop. There we go. Okay. I just absolutely love how this looks. And then we are just gonna chain 1. Okay, turn, and we're gonna continue again. So we usually don't go into this because that's where our first stitch is connected. So we're just gonna go, so this counts as our first stitch. I'm gonna do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, oops, this is 12, 13, 14, oops, 14, 15. Oops. And then one more back here. 16. Right, chain 1. Turn. We're not going to work into this. We're going into the next one. Pull up a loop. And just do single crochet back loop across. That's it. Just gonna go a little bit quicker now because we know what we are doing here. We're just working into the back loop only. And you can do this with not just single crochet, you could do it with double crochet, treble crochet. It'll give you this ridged texture. Looks really nice. All right. I think this would be really nice for like ribbing too, if you had to attach ribbing to something. All right. And that's pretty much it. And you just continue in that way. And remember, you're gonna chain 1 and turn every time when you start a new row. All right. And this is what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the texture. Hope you enjoy the tutorial. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you'd like to see any other specific stitches. Be sure to comment below and like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. And make sure you hit the bell so that you don't miss any more tutorials and all the updates. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching.